Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Right then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today I'm in Pakistan. It's day one in Pakistan today. It's 11 o'clock in the morning and we just going to the bakery to get a couple of stuff. So here is the main road. Look at this. This is the main road here. It's a busy road as well. That's a school here. And you got a school just here as well. And then you got lots of shops on this road as well. So for example, you got the barbers there. You got gym just there. You got snooker, game plays. It's fantastic. So let's go to the bakery. There's a baker's here. Let's take you all in the bakery there. Right, let's cross the road. Right then guys, so we're in the bakery here. We've got some couple of chewy gums here and some sweets. You've got cocoa biscuits. You've got the hair colours. You've got some drinks here. On this side, you've got different kind of biscuits. Look at these, it's fantastic. From this side, you've got a couple of pizzas here. Fantastic. Got some different kind of biscuits as well. There's a new opening for this shop today. We've got people here. Let's have a look inside the shop. So this is a new shop here. So we've got basically got the drinks this side. Different kind of drinks here. Got some milk in here. Biscuits this side. It's a new shop that's opened today, so well, it's alright, the shop is good. Got some here, you've got brushes, different kind. Got some key-rings here as well. Fantastic. I love you, Kelly, in the car. Right then guys, so I'm on the top of the house here. It's getting dark now, the sun is setting. We've got people on the field playing football. It's amazing. Wow. Right, so let's finish up the vlog here everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care and I'll see you all for the next one.